Today, I'd like to share with you Google's remote desktop system. Now, this is a really great tool for me to be able to help you with any technical or Google Classroom problems that you might have. But it also could be a tool that will allow you to directly help your students, whether they have a problem with a math question or a technical problem or just any kind of anything that you would might do next to your kids' desks in class, you can do this here. So if they are working on something, you can physically help them by controlling their mouse and showing them exactly where you want them to go. So if your students are using a Chromebook, this is a very, very simple process. If they're using a PC or Mac, the only thing I would say is that they should download Google Chrome. And to download Google Chrome, all they have to do is search for Chrome, and probably the first thing that will come up when they do a web search for Chrome is this Google Chrome, and they just click download and install, and then they're good to go. So once they have Chrome installed, they have to be logged in under a Chrome or a Google account. So they should all be using their school accounts. So their TamacoSD.org accounts will get them everything they need. And if they are logged in under TamacoSD.org, they will see already a Google Remote Desktop icon. And this icon was pushed onto every single person's device to help me service your computers easier and help you help your students as well. So with this icon, all they have to do is click on the icon and then they're in the support page. If they just go to remotedesktop.google.com, they'll get to this page and all they have to do is click on support and they're good to go. So from here, you'll see get support and give support. So the computer that wants to be supported will generate a code that will be given to the computer that is supporting. So let's say this is my PC right here. This PC is going to be supporting a Chromebook, but a Chromebook can also support a PC or Mac using the same remote desktop tool. So my Chromebook is going to be supported by my PC here. So I need a code from my Chromebook, and then I will be able to remotely access that Chromebook. So on my Chromebook, all I have to do is click generate code. This code will last for 5 minutes. And once I get that code, I can enter it on my PC here and click connect. On my Chromebook, it will ask if I am allowing remote assistance. This can be accepted or denied. This is a very safe process. At any time, a student or teacher or parent can deny this. All they have to do is click this stop. And even if they close this out, all they have to do is either open up Remote Desktop here and stop the sharing there, or even click on Remote Desktop here, and then that will allow you to stop back to this page so you can stop sharing. Now, notice that my Chromebook is controlling this, but I also have the ability to control the mouse with my PC mouse. So both people can control. It doesn't have to be just one. So once I'm in this Chromebook, I can do anything I need to. I can go into all of the apps and services, and I can do everything that I need to support the Chromebook. I can open new tabs, I can search things, I can download whatever I need. As soon as I'm done, all I have to do is click stop sharing, and then I am good to go. So it's a very, very simple tool, but it allows for some really nice, very nice uh, ways that you can support your teachers and your students um, without too much issues. So with this, all you need to remember is that your students are going to be needing help, and this is going to allow you to manually show them exactly what you mean, exactly give them directions. And if you have like a Google Meet going on, or if you have um, a phone call to their parents, you can actually speak with them through this, or you can type. You could always have like a Word document open or a Google Doc open, and you can type back and forth to them what you are doing and what instructions you're giving them. So, a brief overview of Google Remote Desktop. I hope it is something that's useful for you. It's been very useful for me, and I hope, and just remember that I am here if you need any support. This remote desktop will be a invaluable tool to all of us. Have a great day.